In this example, we've got 9 and 23 hundredths plus 621. Since we're adding with a decimal, the most important thing is to make sure that we line up our decimal point. But the question is, where's the decimal point in this number here? Well, whenever you have a whole number, the decimal point is always at the end, right after the ones place. So we can write our decimal point for 621 right here. Now that we know where our decimal point is here, let's start by writing our numbers. So I'll write 9, the decimal point, 2, and 3. The next thing I like to do is to put the next decimal point directly under the first one. So I'll write that here. And that's just to make sure that I don't make a mistake with lining up my numbers. So since I've got the decimal point here, to the left of that is 1, then to the left of that is 2, and finally we've got the number 6. If we have any blank spots, we can write zeros in those blank spots as placeholders, which means I'll have a 0 here, under the 2, another under the 3, one above this 2, and one above this 6. Then I'll write my plus sign, underline everything, and get to work. But just a brief reminder. The real reason we're lining up our decimal point is so it lines up our place values. Here, our hundredths values are lined up. Here, our tenths values are lined up. Here, our ones values are lined up. Here, our tens values are lined up. And here, our hundreds values are lined up. And you can only add numbers that have the same place value. That's what we're really doing. Now, let's get back to work, starting from the right. 3 plus 0 is 3. 2 plus 0 is 2. I'll bring down my decimal point. 9 plus 1 is 10, so I'll bring down the 0, and I'll carry the 1. 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 2 is 3. And finally, 0 plus 6 is 6. Therefore, the final answer is 630 and 23 hundredths. But most students would read this as 630.23.